Hey, all my kings and queens and adjacent royalty. We shall no longer use cheap brushes and bad pads, but only the finest supplies sourced from the US and globally. For this, we shop detailking.com. Well, this week, if you haven't already figured it out, TShirt Tuesday is Detail King. If you've never heard of Detail King, they're based out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and began in 1999. They specialize in offering high-quality detailing products, including Lake Country pads, but they also offer great trainings and a lot of support for the detailing entrepreneur or the business people. So they offer great support for people running detailing businesses and how they can operate better, trainings to help them operate better, and all the products to get them there. So if you haven't already checked them out, check it out, detailking.com. You think that's good enough?
Oh my God.
Do we need anything else?
No.
Okay. That worked good.
We're just gonna hang it up.
Yeah, that's a good one.